Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to use screen mirroring using your iPhone 17 Air. If you want to see your iPhone 17 Air screen on a bigger screen, then with a feature that is called screen mirroring, you can cast your photos, videos, or any other applications to your TV. So first of all, you have to make sure that your TV supports AirPlay. Most modern smart TVs do, and of course Apple TV works as well. And you have to ensure that both your iPhone 17 Air and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, so now you have to open your control center using your iPhone 17 Air. You just have to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and find a screen mirroring icon that looks like two rectangles. And here you will see a list of available devices, and you have to choose your Apple TV or any other AirPlay compatible smart TV. Simply tap on it, and if prompted, if your iPhone will require that, you should enter the code that will be shown on your TV screen. But that's not always the case. And then your iPhone's display will be mirrored on your TV in real time. And anything you do basically will appear on the big screen. And basically when you're done, you just have to open Control Center again and tap Screen Mirroring icon and select Stop Mirroring. And that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.